Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Amiibo. Place the Amiibo on the NFC spot of your controller or console and follow on-screen prompts to register it. I will guide you step by step through scanning, creating save data, and assigning figures to compatible games. We will cover common errors, simple fixes, and how to avoid corrupting saves. Stay calm, follow each step slowly, and you will be ready to play. Start by scanning the Amiibo gently until the game confirms a read, then select Create or link save data as needed. I will explain how to check save slots, manage multiple Amiibo, and confirm item unlocks so you never lose progress. If a scan fails, move the figure slightly or rotate it and try again. These small adjustments usually fix read errors quickly and keep your Amiibo working reliably. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and catch future guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long gaming sessions and fits cup holders neatly, making it a handy companion for Amiibo setup marathons. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If your Amiibo won't register, restart both the game and the console, then try scanning again methodically. I will cover swapping controllers, checking NFC settings, and isolating environmental interference like metal or stacked figures. For persistent issues, check game-specific Amiibo rules, as some items or saves require special steps. These quick checks usually resolve most problems and get you back to collecting bonuses and custom content without fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.